Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up payment cards on OnlyFans. So just tap on my Safari browser and log into my account. Now I will be moving my profile icon, which is right bottom corner, and here you will see the your card to subscribe. Just tap on it and here just tap on add a payment. So if you have any card like MasterCard, credit card, so you can just add it. So the first one is select your country where you're from. So I am from Pakistan, so I will just find my country to select it and just give them state or province, where are you from, which state, and complete this all the filling blanks. So I will just write my address because it's our application policy. You can give them information with real data. So I will just add my home address on this account. So after this, you will just tell them city where are you from, and you can also tell your zip postal code and the name on your card. I will hide due to privacy, so you can just add your username of your card, your card number, your expiry date on the card, and your CVC code. Make sure. So I will hide it due to privacy. So I will just teach you when you fill all the blanks. So just tap on this ticket. You will see when you're done. So just tap on this tick here to confirm that you are at least 18 years old, and that's it. So after complete this procedure, and you will be just tap on this tick button to confirm that, and tap to submit. So this will be add your card. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.